They may ask, well, how do we know your treatment was from the accident? You haven't been to the doctor in 6 months. How do we know you weren't injured in another accident? Hi, my name is Kevin Roach, and I'm a Missouri personal injury lawyer. One of the biggest mistakes that I see people make that damages their case is to have what's called treatment gaps. We see people that are seriously injured. They may go to the emergency room by ambulance. They may be hardly able to get out of bed or able to go to work, to do any of their daily routines in their life, but they don't have any follow-up care after that initial ER visit. They don't go to the doctor. It's not documented that they're even injured. So the fact that they're unable to get out of bed, there's no way to really document that because there's no medical care. So having gaps in your medical care is probably the single most common mistake I see people make. I mean, a lot of times it's not their fault. They may not have health insurance. They may be worrying about, their medical expenses, so they don't go to the doctor. But if you're seriously injured, it's really important that you have consistent medical care, because the insurance company is going to look at your claim, and what the first thing they're going to look at is your medical expenses and your treatment records. They're going to want to see that your treatment was consistent and that there's no gaps in care. So if you have a big gap, they may ask, well, how do we know your treatment was from the accident? You haven't been to the doctor in 6 months. How do we know you weren't injured in another accident? So it's really, really important to have that consistent treatment history so you can get compensation from the insurance company for your injuries and show them that you were injured in the accident. After handling auto accident claims for more than 20 years, I've seen people consistently make the same 7 mistakes over and over again. In my book, Crash and Learn, I devote a chapter to the 7 big mistakes that will damage your auto accident claim. The book is free for anybody who wants it. Feel free to visit the website for a free download or contact our office. Be more than happy to mail you a copy.